Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Today, we will start a new chapter, chapter number 3. Our chapter name is Factors and Multiples. So students, first of all we will discuss that what are the factors. A number which divides a given number exactly is called factor. Students, before explaining the definition, first of all, let's discuss one example. We will try to find out factors of 12. So we will start from the first table, from the table of 1. We know that if we will divide any number with 1, then we will get the number itself. So 1 12s are 12. Now come to the table of 2. In the table of 2, 12 comes? Yes. 2 6s are 12. Now come to the table of 3. 3 4s are 12. Now come to the table of 4. 4 3s are 12. Students, when it starts repeating, see here, 3 into 4 and 4 into 3. If the pair starts repeating, so we should stop ourselves there only. So we should rub it. It means, it indicates that these are only the factors of 12. Right? And these, which we have written 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. These are the pair through which we get the product as a 12. Students, we have to find out the factors and these are our factors. First of all, look into the matter. My first pair is 1 into 12. So let's divide with both the factors with product. If we will divide product 12 with 1, we will get the answer. Just 1 minute. We will get the quotient 12 only. If we will divide my second factor with the product 12 with 12, 12 ones are 12. It means we can say that 12 is divisible by 1 and 12 exactly. Let's discuss the second pair. My second pair is 2 multiply 6. Let's divide the product with 2. 2 6s are 12. Now, let's divide the product with second factor, that is 6. 6 2s are 12. It means I can say that 12 is divisible by 2 and 6. Now let's come to the third pair. Third pair is 3 multiply 4. Let's divide the product by each factor. 3 4s are 12. Now let's divide the second factor with 12. Let's divide the product with second factor. So we can say that, student, 12 is exactly divisible by 3 and 4. So we draw a conclusion, students, a factor. These are my factors. The pairs which I have made, these are my factors. A number which divides a given number exactly. These all numbers are dividing this number exactly. So we can say that These all are my factors. So students, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors. Of 12. Right?